Take a guess, why you think I'm wearing shades? Yes, I'm the bomb, I supply my own grenades. Always keep a buzz, and occasionally you fade. With one flick of my tongue, I got your girlfriend with it in the Everglades. So I dive in, and I'm a great swimmer. Claim you're too thick, well I can make that body thinner. Shawty sinner, shawty bender, I can make that body tender. She feaming and screaming and do, I ain't even in her till I enter. This is that freak shit. Green saliva, I guess I got that unique spit. You can't critique it, but it'll throw you for a loop. My lyrics tease more fools than Betty Boop. Call me a hula hoop, cause I'm around her waist. On top of the game, if you were here then you'd be out of place. I got more flow than a fish tank. I'm getting money, honey, tell me what a bitch think. I'm number one, can't nobody mess with this squad. Futuristic flow, if you a fan, jump in this pod. Beavers built my team, you can't knock this damn down. We go pork rinds, boy, put the ham down. Going faster than them NASCARs. Hesitating, I'm about to bend these brass bars. Defecating, you are shitty when you're feeling froggy. I'ma jump over you and probably fly past Mars. Mystic, cryptic, I been dead. Lick that lipstick off my dick head. Open your mom like a book, she has been read. You think you're a beast because you got those thick dreads? I'ma teach you what you probably never had a chance to learn because your mom's a prosty. I like her ass, I left it frosty. She got a tattoo that reads, this is Stats Prophecy. I'm probably the best you'll ever see. Dyslexic flow, R-E-L-Y and that letter T. Did you catch that? It was crisscross. Stop, Ty, she got crabs, then get this trick off. I ain't gotta shoot, tracks kill it for me. I only snack on Smarties, I ain't dealing with you dummies. You're lucky that I ain't found you yet. I'm wasted, that's the reason I ain't drowned you yet. Okay, anytime you see me, I'm rolling with yo chick. Cock and poke this dick, cause you know it's loaded. And my boys ride, and we keep it boxed out. Beating up your woman round 3 and she knocked out. Eliminating, hesitating haters that be salivating. You just wait and you gon' see the stats ain't never ever playing. Reprimanding anyone that don't understand it. I'm flyer than a jet, but yet you'll never catch me landing. Good night, because I'm outie. A little rowdy. Sparks, spark to the flame, let's go.